Hey guys! In this speech, we are required to talk about our favorite hashtag in relation to our profession. Hashtags can present an idea and help elaborate on that idea. They originally started through Twitter, but soon expanded to all the other social media platforms. My profession is nursing, and out of all the hashtags I researched, hashtag nursing was my all-time favorite. This hashtag shows a variety of things from memes to advice to everyday struggles of being a nurse. Hashtag Nurse Life shows the life of a nurse and the types of experiences they go through daily. By searching this hashtag, I can find characteristics of a hashtag and what they do. In this first post, we can really see the struggles of being a nurse through the use of hashtag Nurse Life. Although it is a funny post, it is true and shows emotion behind it because being a nurse is tough and requires a lot of time and effort each day. As you can see in this post, nurses come prepared and ready for work. At the end of each shift, they are exhausted. In this post, it reveals how nurses have used hashtag Nurse Life to show their experiences through COVID-19. Nurses now have to wear more personal protection equipment, or PPE, to protect them from the virus. This picture looks as if they are preparing for a procedure due to their hair being covered, surgical gowns on, and shoe coverings on. Aside from the daily challenges they face with the virus, they look pretty happy. This picture doesn't explain much, but this post has a lot of meaning behind what the nurse experiences and the advice it provides. Samantha talks about all the negatives in nursing, but how it is worth it all because you are saving lives. Her advice helps me to be prepared for what is to come and how not every day is going to be a good one. I am able to find a lot of advice through this hashtag, which is why I love hashtags. As you've seen and heard, hashtags can be very useful for finding info or real-world experiences for a specific topic. With the hashtag Nurse Life, I've been able to find out about experiences that nurses have and advice they give to other people. This hashtag has helped me to answer all of my concerns about my future career and has reassured me that nursing is something I really want to do. I hope you find a hashtag that helps you find answering to any of the questions that you have. Here is my note card.